Hey guys, it's Bubbli. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a basic drag smoky eye. Everyone needs a smoky eye in their arsenal, even drag queens. So I'm just going to show you how to do this real simple smoky eye, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to glam it up and make it your own so that it's not such a basic smoky eye. Alright, I really hope you guys enjoy. If you want to see more videos on how to drag up your life like a queen, consider subscribing. As always, all the products will be listed in the description below, so let's get started. So to start off, I'm just going to take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean and put that all over the lid, and then we'll kind of smudge that out and smoke it out. But this is just going to create a really dark base for us to put our eyeshadows on top of, so that it can be really dark and seductive on the lid, and then smoked out really dramatic. I'm putting that all over the lid and kind of taking it up and over my natural crease area. And then I'm going to take this like flat-ended round brush and just start to smudge that out. I'm mainly just smudging out the outer edges. So I'm going to go in with this Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm going to go in with the black right here in the middle. I'm just going to take a flat round brush and start packing that on the lid. And then I actually want to warm it up a little bit, so I'm going to use this kind of chocolatey color right here to start blending it out. I'm going to use that with this kind of fluffy round brush right here. So I'm just going right above where I put the black and blending the two together. Because I want it to be a smoky eye, but I want it to be kind of like a chocolatey smoky eye. So now I'm going to go in with this kind of coral color up here and a really fluffy brush and blend out that chocolate color. And then I'm going to go back in with more of that chocolatey brown color. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and repeat that same process on this eye off camera. So after we finish up the top eyelids, we're going to go ahead and work under the eyes. We're just going to do everything opposite pretty much. So I'm going to start with the lighter color and then go in with the medium chocolatey color, and then I'm going to go in with the black. So I'm going to just take that same fluffy brush and that light coral color and sweep that under my eyes. And then I'm going to use a smaller flat brush for the chocolatey color. So I'm just going to get some of the chocolate color right there and keep that fairly close to the waterline. And then I'm going to blend it all out with that fluffy brush. So now I'm going to go in with that same NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and I'm going to line my waterline. And I'm going to go in with this little angled brush, get some more of that black color, and kind of smudge that out. Now I'm going in with more of that chocolate color and smoking that out a little bit more. So once we've smoked out the bottom of the lid, I'm going to go ahead and pop some highlight into the inner corner. So I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. I'm going to go in with Chopper, and I'm going to pop that in the inner corner of my eye just to give a little bit of a highlight. And I'm going to repeat that same process on my other eye. So I went ahead and finished up the rest of my makeup and threw on some lashes, and here is the final look. This is the basic smoky eye that every drag queen should have in their arsenal. Just a quick little smoky eye to throw on, you know. So let's go ahead and glam it up, shall we? So to glam it up, we gotta add some sparkle. So I'm just taking some rhinestones that I got at the craft store, and I'm gonna put them on my face. So I'm taking the first rhinestone and I'm going to put it underneath my eye right in the middle. So I'm just taking some tweezers on the rhinestone with some lash glue. on both eyes. So the second rhinestones I'm just adding right in the inner corner there underneath my eye. Now I'm going to put some in the outer corner. And there you have your glammed up smoky eye, guys. Let me know in the comments below, which one do you guys like better? Do you like the rhinestone glam smoky eye, or do you guys like the basic regular drag smoky eye? Let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can drag up your life like a queen. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.